Better not cry. Better not pout. What is that, Alex? Betty would like some peas, Alex. Would you give her one? Would you like a pea? You have some right there. Want to hand her some food? Here, give some to Betty. No? Okay. Oh, give some to Betty. Give some to your sister. Here, Betty. Oh, that was a fart. Oh, thank you. Oh, you dropped it. Homer will get it. With the milk that you dropped. Yeah. You want to give some to Betty? Try again, baby. Give some meat to Betty. Give some chicken to Betty, please. Yeah? Da da da. Da da da. Hey, Betty. What sound does a dog make? Woo 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 woo. Woo 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 woo. Woo woo woo. That's right, Alex. What about a cat? Meow. 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 What about Mommy and Yoga?